Once I landed to Hyderabad and tasted this recipe, and instantly I fall in love with it as well as Hyderabad. This tangy, crispy, crunchy Kurkure Bhindi recipe is one of the easiest Indian starter recipe to follow that involves deep frying lettuce finger to get a crispy texture. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So now let's check the ingredient to make this excellent alternative vegetarian side dish that is super flavorful and addictively delicious. And the ingredients are roasted gram flour, peanut, red chili whole, curry leaves, chaat masala, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, and with that cornstarch and our beautiful green vegetable lettuce finger. First of all, we need to wash and dry this lettuce finger before cutting it. After that, trim the head and the tail of it with the help of a knife and cut it into thin slices the way I am showing you in this video. I'm pretty sure that if you make this recipe once, you are definitely going to love this Kurkure Bhindi as my family is loving it since we are in Hyderabad. After the cutting is done, keep this lettuce finger on the side. To coat this lettuce finger, we will make one masala. For this, take a mixing bowl, add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of roasted gram flour. Now mix everything well with a spoon. After that, we will drop in our lettuce finger and again mix well so that the masala are well coated with this lettuce finger before frying it. Please be sure while mixing this lettuce finger with the masala there should be no water, or else it will be sticky and the lettuce finger will stick with one another and it won't be crispy. Next, heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium flame. When oil is hot enough, deep fry this lettuce finger until they turn light brown and crispy. You need to flip in between until it turns golden brown. Fry them in batches or else it can stick with one another. Drain and transfer to a plate having paper napkins spread on it to remove the excess oil. After that, remove it from the pan and into that same oil we will fry some peanut, 2 to 3 red chili whole and few curry leaves to give a nice texture and taste. Once you are done with the frying, then garnish at the top of the Kurkure Bhindi and sprinkle half teaspoon of chaat masala. Serve as a starter or appetizer. You can also have this with steamed rice and dal. It tastes like a heaven. Now enjoy this crispy, crunchy kurkure bhindi, okra or lettuce finger, whatever name you call for, and share it with your friends and family. I am sure everyone will love this crispy kurkure bhindi. And if you like this, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Do let me know in the comment section when you make this recipe. Feel free to contact me with any questions or inquiries and I could be happy to answer them. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.